An earthquake shook Karamanmaraş. Roads cracked and buildings toppled. The earth trembled violently all the way down the Middle Eastern continent. Horrifying dawn. People trapped suddenly wake into a nightmare of stone and dust and darkness. Silence in Istanbul, where snow falls softly over distant tremors, and we sleep warm in our beds. Further south are shouts and cries, bodies found and lost, shaking with cold and fear, panic like a great wave engulfing them. The chilling calamity collapses our distance, here where my friends are hosting me, here where these names are known. And as I gather old jackets and blankets to send to the newly destitute, the bells are ringing. It could have been me. It could have been me.